Today I will be looking at the AirBell, which is a bicycle bell that you can put an AirTag into. I decided to get this to mount on the new KQi Air electric scooter that only has an electronic horn, because I found out that not all pedestrians and other bicycle riders react to the electronic horn, so I want to mount a standard bicycle bell as well. So let's unbox it first. So it looks like a standard bicycle bell, nothing special. We also have a small manual in here that shows you how you can take it apart and put the AirTag into it. So let's try to do that now. I have an AirTag here. So you remove this part. And slide this open. Put the AirTag into it. Slide it back. Lock it in place. And that seems to be all there is to it. Okay, now let's see how it will fit on the electric scooter. Okay, so here is the bell, and I'm gonna try and mount it just next to the grip on the scooter. So first let's take out the screw. I will be using a PH2 screwdriver to take it out. Okay, and that allows us to mount the bell. Okay, it's a little bit of a tight fit, but seems to work. Let me put the screw back in to secure it. So on the KQi Air, the problem is that the brake can't be moved more further to the right because there is the rubber gasket for the quicker connection, and the stock screw that came with the bell is a bit short to mount it this way. So for example, if the brake or the grip wasn't in the way, I can show you over here where there is a bit more space. The screw that came with the bell would fit just fine when the bell housing can be flush with the grip, with the handlebars. But if I want to mount it here, I'm running in a bit of a problem, but this is the sort of ideal location to put it, because when you are holding the handlebars, you have the bell easily reachable. So let me try and find a bigger screw so we can secure it. Okay, so I found a little bit longer screw compared to the stock one. It's different thread, so I will use a different screwdriver. So this one fits nicely. We just have to straighten it out so it goes into the threads. Okay, and just before we tighten it up, let's move the bell into the correct position we want. And now let's finish tightening it up. it's secured in place. So with just using a different screw, you can make it fit in different spots, even in tight places like this. And now you have a normal bell in addition to the electronic bell on the KQi Air, and you can use it on any other scooter or bicycle if you want to have a hidden AirTag inside the bell. And from the outside, as you can see, it looks just like a standard bicycle bell. So someone who doesn't know it's an AirTag bell, they won't be able to tell, and it can help you protect your scooter or bicycle if it gets stolen. So this was just a quick video showing you the AirBell, and for anyone who wants to check it out, I will include an Amazon link in the video description. And that's it for this short video unboxing and demonstration of the AirBell. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel to see future content on scooters and various accessories for electric scooters, and maybe some other personal electric vehicles as well in the future. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.